Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell here and thank you for tuning into my channel today. Today's video is going to be my Black Friday Amazon haul. I have so many Black Friday videos up. I will leave them up in the cards above and also in the description box below. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from Amazon for Black Friday because these are really good gift ideas for young people, techie people, and YouTubers. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, please continue watching. So the first thing I will be showing you, because I am a YouTuber, I got a couple things for my camera and I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing separate videos on these items here, but I just wanted to show you what I got. The first thing is a lens for my camera. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this because a lot of people, well not a lot of people, a few people have commented on my YouTube studio videos where I unbox like my camera and the lighting and things like that, and they're like, you should try X, Y, and Z lens because it will just change your life. And so I went back to look for the comments and I found one, and they told me to get the 10-18mm lens. It's by Canon, and see, it's coming directly from the Canon store but through Amazon. And I like that because I feel like it's more trustworthy and more legit when you actually get it from Canon. You're paying so much money. It was almost $300. So it came in this really nice bubble wrap, very thick, and that's good because this thing is very, very fragile. Now let's take it out the bag. And okay, so this one is a lot bigger than the one that's currently on my camera. I currently have the 15-44mm lens that came with the Canon M50, the EOS M50. It's funny because my family, my brother and my father are both photographers and they are Team Nikon, so I'm the first Team Canon one in this family, but I got recommendations from YouTubers like the Content Bug, aka Catherine Manning. I follow her recommendations in getting this camera and I absolutely love it. If you're interested in seeing how the video quality works, obviously watch this video all the way through or look at some of my old videos. I will also be leaving the playlist for my YouTube studio where I unbox all of the items that I have in my studio. So that's my camera, my tripod, my ring light, my other lighting, and my backdrop. So if you're interested in seeing how I did those things or got those things, make sure you check out that playlist. So I'm just going to take this off. There's nothing really to see here because obviously you need to connect it to the camera in order for it to work, but I'm really excited to try this lens out. Now, in doing some research for this lens, it looks like you have to get an adapter for it to connect to the EOS M50 because for some reason it's not made for this camera. So I bought an adapter, and this is from a third party, MCO Plus. And of course, when I was on Amazon, I just made sure that this was compatible with my camera. So I'm sure you will connect these two together and then this will go onto my camera. So it would be super long. This lens costs $1,299. I know it's expensive. And then when you include tax, it came out to $316.94. And I think this was the sale price. Let's see how much it is right now. Right now it's cheaper. What? All right, well, if you get it right now, it's like $15 cheaper, so do that. This one was on sale. This is $27.99. This is the adapter. It is normally $35, so I saved some money on this one. And like I said before, I'll do another video where I actually show you how I put these together and show how it works with my camera. But I just wanted to unbox for you guys for this video. So those are the first two things. And then for my camera, I got this Rode microphone. This microphone was suggested by the Content Bug, aka Catherine Manning. she did a review or a comparison of this mic versus the other less expensive Rode mic, and this one was better quality, obviously. Well, not obviously, because sometimes when you pay more, it doesn't like automatically mean it's better quality, but I'm hoping for really good quality here. Right now I'm just using the microphone that's built in the camera, so it'll be cool to have an external microphone, and it will probably be able to get rid of the background noises that I have to manually adjust when I edit the video. So I'm very excited about this. This microphone is originally $299, but I got it for $270, so saved about $30, so that was good. So the next portion of this is for the techies. This thing, I did not get it on Black Friday. Someone actually gave it to me a couple weeks ago, and I've been using it and I actually love it. It's funny because I used to tease my boyfriend about calling for Alexa for a lot of things. But anyways, this is the Echo Show, the second, I think it's 5. Yes, the Echo Show 5 is the second generation, and it's originally $94.99. Right now it's on sale for $49.99, so go ahead and check that out on Amazon. It is really cool and I actually love it. You can connect your Apple Music to it. You can connect your TV, your Amazon TV, your Netflix, and you can actually watch videos on it, although it's small. But like if I'm in the kitchen and I want to see something, because I can't actually see my TV in my living room from my kitchen, I would do it on there, and that's really cool. It can also be connected to your lights. If you have a smart light bulb like this that is screwed into your lights in whatever room, you can connect those to Alexa or Amazon and tell Alexa to turn your lights on and off, and you change the color and things like that. So the next thing that I got was this full color direct connect smart bulb from Cync, and it's by GE General Electric, and it says it works with Alexa on here. I actually got 2 of these for free from an influencer that I got to check out and do a review on. And if you're interested in seeing how I get free things from influencer, check out the link in the cards above and also in the description box below. But I love the 2 lights that I got, so I had to get a 3rd one so it can make my kitchen complete, because I have 3 pendant, I think they're called pendant lights in my kitchen. So the one in the middle does not have a smart light bulb, and I wanted to get one to make them all in sync. In sync. In sync. That's funny. One light bulb normally costs $12.99, but I got it for $10.39, so I saved 20% on this one. And it's pretty cool. $10 for a light bulb. I don't know how much a normal light bulb is, but it's a smart bulb, so of course it's going to be probably a little bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it. I'll show you videos of how I use it and change the colors in my kitchen. Next, since we're on the Amazon / Alexa thing, I got this smart plug. It's really, really cool. You put it in your electrical socket and connect it to your Amazon Show or Echo Show, and you can ask Alexa to turn your lights on or whatever you connect it to. On here it shows a lamp, a fan, and a coffee machine. But I'm gonna connect this to my Christmas tree, and I ask Alexa to turn on the lights on my Christmas tree. So I'm so excited for this one. This is something that I already had as well, but I wanted to show you guys since we're already talking about Amazon and Alexa. This is the Echo Dot, and this is pretty cool too. It's not as advanced as the Show, obviously, because it's basically a speaker. You can ask Alexa to do things for you, like set a timer, what time is it, what's the weather, things like that. But obviously there's no screen. This one is originally $64.98, but right now on Amazon it is $44.98. The last thing related to Amazon, because Amazon is really taking my money, is the Fire Stick. And I already have one upstairs, but I got the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. And it says it's our most powerful 4K streaming stick plus next generation Wi-Fi 6. So it's the newest one. I got mine like maybe 10 years ago. This one has all these new apps, and it's funny because I have a smart TV, but it's actually not really that smart. It doesn't have, I can't download new apps on it, so instead of getting a new TV, I just paid like $50 or whatever to get the stick that has these apps like Disney Plus. I don't have Disney Plus, Apple TV, HBO Max, Paramount, Sling. So This is pretty cool. On Amazon, this one is originally $54.99, but right now it is $34.99. Okay, so these next ones are also for techie people, but you have to be Team Apple because they are Apple products basically. So this first one was pretty cool. This is a car charger for the Apple Watch. So you just put this USB slot into the cigarette lighter and put your Apple Watch right here. It is magnetic, so just like the regular watch, and it will charge, and I actually tested it out. It does charge, so that's pretty cool. This charger is $10.99 on Amazon. Okay, the next thing that I got was an adapter for the new stupid cord that Apple provided in the iPhone 12 Pro box, the phone box. And if you guys don't know, it's no longer a USB port at the very end. It is a USB-C, so it looks a little different. This is the same one that can go into the new MacBook Air laptops. So I guess it's cool that I can now connect my phone directly to my laptop without having to use an adapter. But I don't like it because all the other products and other chargers have the regular USB, so you had to buy an adapter if you wanted to use this if you don't have a laptop, which is probably most people because these laptops are so expensive. They're like $1,000. So I got this adapter that has this USB-C port that you can connect that and charge your new Apple iPhone. And it sucks, like I don't know why they would not put this in the box anymore, especially when they're changing the charger altogether. Like I can understand if they were putting it, like when I got my iPhone 11, if they were not including the box, because I have so many. I've been on Team iPhone since iPhone 6, so I would understand that. But when you change the whole cord entirely, why the heck would you not put this box in there? Apple, make it make sense. They just want money. I know they just want money, but I love Apple products, so I'm gonna spend the money anyway, unfortunately. But I love that they all sync together. So I have this Apple or iPhone 11, iPhone 12 Pro, and then I have an iPad, I have a MacBook Pro, a MacBook Air. So I'm Team Apple all the way. I have this Apple Watch. So yes, I spend all my money, it just goes to Apple. Oh, one thing I wanted to add, that this box with the USB-C adapter, it came straight from Apple. So you can see the Apple logo here. This is an Apple box. So one thing I noticed for these products, like the chargers, like the long cords and stuff, I actually get those from Apple because the little cheap ones that you get from Amazon, they work for a little bit, but after a while, they're not reliable. So I do like to get the cords from Apple. I also bought a longer charging cord for the iPhone. I have to look to see what the actual length of it is, but it's a lot longer than the normal one, just so I can use it while I'm in bed and it will stretch to the other side of the bed. So that's pretty cool. You pay a little bit more, but that one's also directly from Apple because, like I said, it's more reliable and it's the actual company that makes the device. So I want to make sure that I get these products directly from them. And talking about the watch, Amazon also has a lot of vendors that sell watch bands and little screen protectors for your watch, Apple Watch. So I like this one in particular because this one has a lot of bling and it's also rose gold and it matches with my watch. This band I also got from Amazon, really cute. And it's just cool to just switch things up a little bit because the band that actually came with this Apple Watch gets dirty very fast because it is light in color. So I got a couple other bands for my watch as well. So this one is also a rose gold color, but it is one that has links. And it also has like little bedazzled stuff in here too. This one's very cute. And then it comes with these tools here to, I guess, take out the links. I know I will have to because my arm is so skinny. Yeah, because this thing closes on my arm, and obviously I need to put the watch face in the middle. So I have to take out maybe 2 or 3 links here. But they gave the tools to do that, so that's pretty cool. And then I got another one. This one is just a plain rose gold color. No jewels or anything. Not jewels. Gemstones or rhinestones. And just a plain rose gold. And they also have the tools here to take out the extra links. This one costs $19.99 on Amazon. The first one that I showed you was $15.99. You can get $2 off if you use the little coupon that they have there. This one that is on my arm, the clear one with like little glitter particles on the inside, it was $9.99. And then I got a 3-pack of the blinged out cases for the face of the watch. I got a pack of 3 actually, so with this one came 2 other ones. Like a iridescent color, so it looks like different colors, like purple, blue, green, depending on how you turn it. And then I also got a clear one. So they can all go with this watch, but obviously I prefer the rose gold one. These ones cost $11.99 on Amazon. I've gotten all my accessories from my camera, so I'll be leaving links to those as well in the description box below. But I got my little camera bag, I got my memory cards, I got my charger and additional batteries from Amazon. So everything related to tech, I've recently been getting it from Amazon because it's convenient. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you got on Black Friday from Amazon. If you're a YouTuber or just a techie person in general, or whatever, if you got something that's unrelated to the items that I showed in this video, let me know in the comments below what you got from Amazon on Black Friday. If you got some good deals, if their deals are still going, comment below, because other people might be looking for other gift ideas that I didn't mention, and you guys might have a different perspective. So leave those in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. Don't forget to share this video out to all of your friends so they can get some good things from Amazon and get some good deals for the holiday season, because I'm sure a lot of these deals are going to be going on until Christmas. But yes, definitely share this video out. I would appreciate it so much. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.